Partner, the most important thing is to get the trusted supplier that offer us the stock in reasonable price. Our supplier are from Facebook that sell hijab in bulk. After that, our other key partner are NURFATEHAH, YUSRI and NADHIRAH that give the modal to start this business. Key activities. The first action that we did when we receive or gather the item is we immediately calculate the stock in when we get from the supplier. We sort out the scarf by the color. For online channel, we set up our place to take the product photo and upload it in our official Instagram and Facebook page. Then, from Instagram, we promote it through our each personal Instagram to gain more followers and spread the information. Value proposition. The product and service are unique because our hijab material are easy to be shaped, comfortable and hard to crease. The selling price are affordable for people, especially students and to public people. The product will be wrapped and packaging in a special packaging for the customer. Special packaging are suitable for a gift to the loved on an affordable price. The packaging have a greeting card to make receiver feel happy when receive our product.
Customer relationship. As the saying goes, customer is always right. Even though we only buy a cotton scarf in size of 1 meter 6 cm, which means bidang 45, we still give our fullest effort to priorities customer needs and satisfaction. After each sale, we follow up with our customer to get feedback from them. The purpose for this action is to help our business improvement in the future.
Next is customer segment. Our first targeted customer is student and staff University Technology Malaysia UTM and also public people. We provide the COD service to our customer and currently nowadays if people tend to shop online because it's convenient and easy. Our price range is fit around RM10 ringgit to RM25 only and not include the postage if using courier service. We sorted out our item into several bag values such as 1 pieces is for RM10 ringgit, combo 2 is for RM18 ringgit, and combo 3 is RM24 for the all color bawah scarf. The promotion is more valuable and save value when the customer buying through combo pack because of the discount that have been given.
Key resource. The human resource are needed because we need it to handle the media social account, financial, deal with supplier and customer. The vehicle are also important to deliver our product to customer while doing COD service. The finance resource are important in order to purchase our stock bawah scarf and special packaging. We also need internet in order to deal with our supplier, customer and run our product and service online.
Is channel. As this business mostly focusing on online sale, we prepare Instagram account and also Facebook page to advertise and attract more people to buy our product. Our marketing team also promote our business through group WhatsApp to inform them our quality and the lowest price that we given to the customer. The channel that we use is Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp.
Cost structure. Since we only sell one type of scarf and it's bawah scarf, we did not spend any penny for production costs. However, we did spend a little effort for the packaging so the items will look simple and stylish. Revenue stream. Our business is focusing on gaining sales from the bawal cotton voile scarf in 1 meter 6 cm, which means bidang 45.